When we are choosing primary colors for our painting, and of course primaries are a yellow, a blue, and a red, which combination of colors you choose makes a tremendous difference in the overall outcome of your painting. So I have some examples here for you. This is the first these are triads, and the first triad, they're primary triads. The first one, this is one I use for my beginners, is PY154, which is benzimidazoline yellow. This one's by Da Vinci. This is PB15:3, that's just your standard phthalo blue-green shade. And this is PB19, it's also Quinn Rose, and that's from M. Graham. And this is the combination that I start my beginners with very often. This combination is a PR254, which is a pyro red. In this case, it's Senoyer red. This is ultramarine blue. This is gamboge. I didn't put the numbers on it because it has several different pigments in it, but this gamboge is my favorite, and it is by Daniel Smith. This is a dark moody triad. Carmine, that's Daniel Smith. Indanthrone blue, that's Daniel Smith. And Quinn gold, that's Daniel Smith. And this is a nice earth triad. This is cerulean blue chromium by Daniel Smith. This is burnt sienna. This one happens to be burnt sienna deep by Da Vinci. And this is raw sienna by Da Vinci. So as you can see, each one is going to make very different mixtures when you mix these together. So the first one, if I take the yellow and the phthalo blue, I take them in fairly equal amounts, and the quinacridone rose, I'm trying to get a neutral here. So as you can see, we got a neutral brown that looks a lot like a sepia. I want to change that. I can make it a little bit more on the red side. So if you're doing skin colors, this is a combination that would work for you. If you want it to be more blue, you can add more blue to it. But basically, you're going to get a neutral that looks something a little less blue than that, but you have to be careful how much phthalo blue you put in there because it is a very powerful color. So let's just pick two colors. If I just use the, let's just make a violet. So if I use the blue and the red, these are both very vibrant colors. You get a gorgeous, gorgeous violet. And you also get a very nice orange mixture with this mixture. See, you can get a red violet. If you add more blue, you can get a blue violet. Now this combination, and this is a cool color palette. This is a warm color palette. So you can see how much warmer these colors are. So if I take my Senoyer red, my ultramarine blue, we get a dull violet with that. And if I want to neutralize that with the gamboge, I can just mix that all in. Because violet and yellow are complements. So there's a neutral with that. You can make it more on the blue side if you don't like that brown. But this is basically how you make browns and grays out of your triads. And if I just take the ultramarine blue and the pyro red, you can see the kind of violet I get. So the overall color hues and values of your painting are determined by which of these combinations you choose. So for this one, if I take the carmine, which is absolutely gorgeous color, and the indanthrone, these are both dark. So you can see I get an absolutely gorgeous violet with that. But if I want to neutralize that out, I add the quinacridone gold. I can get a brown, or if I add more of the blue, I can get a gray. And if I wanted to make a violet out of that, there's your indanthrone. Here's your, oh, wrong one. Need your carmine. You saw the violet that we made, but it can go all the way from a warm violet to a cool violet. And that is absolutely gorgeous right there. And the last one is our, what I call a natural earth tone palette. And that's the cerulean blue and the burnt sienna. And more cerulean blue. It's a bit much. Makes a nice, lovely gray. Then you add the raw sienna to it. And you get a neutral that's kind of on the green side. And if I take the cerulean blue and the burnt sienna, I'm not going to get a violet because of the orange that's in the burnt sienna. It's going to cause these two to, because they're complements, it's going to make a gray. So that's important for you to know if you choose an earth tone palette like this. You're not going to get pinks and reds and anything out of that combination. But you do get some very lovely neutrals. So next time you're just playing around with your watercolors, choose 3 different primaries and mix them together and see the different mixtures you can get and the different hues and values and chroma that you can get. This is very low chroma, this is high chroma, and this is high chroma. So, and this one is more of a low chroma color. So all these things are very important for you to understand. Color theory really makes a difference in the quality of your paintings, and I hope you found this helpful.